Okay, this is part 3. Holy cheese in a bucket. Now, what's that, Trixie? Yeah. I know, now you got fame. You want to go in there. So anyways, so what if you're given just a random ordered pair? It's not quadrantal because it's not, terminal side is not on an axis. But we'd say x is -3. Y is 2. And then R, remember from the first video, is the square root of x squared plus y squared. So R would be the square root of -3 squared is 9, plus 2 squared is 4, so it'd be square root of 13. So then if I want the 6 trig functions that go with that, cosine is x over r, so it'd be -3 over the square root of 13. Now, when we did square roots, we learned that you're not supposed to have a square root in the denominator. So you're supposed to rationalize it. Some teachers really believe in that, and some teachers are like, it's not that big of a deal. I'm going to say it's not that big of a deal. If I wanted to rationalize, multiply the top and bottom by square root of 13. So it would be -3 square root of 13 over 13. Then secant is square root of 13 over -3. Sine is y over r. I hope you're starting to get those memorized. So it'd be 2 over square root of 13. So that means cosecant would be square root of 13 over 2. Tangent is y over x. So tangent would be 2 over -3 or -2/3. And then cotangent's the reciprocal, so it'd be a -3/2. Now, we're going to use 2 very famous triangles to find 3 non-quadrantal angles with trig. And that's the 30, 45, and 60. Now, notice I did reverse 45 and 60 just because I did. I honestly don't know why I did that, but I did. So 30 degrees. I'm going to go to the 30-degree angle, and the triangle is 30, 60, 90. And the hypotenuse is always twice the smallest side, and the side opposite 60 is square root of 3. So cosine is adjacent over opposite. Start over. Adjacent over hypotenuse is what I'm trying to say. So it would be square root of 3 over 2. I'm going to go ahead and go through cosine. 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse. And 45 over here, adjacent over hypotenuse, or adjacent over hypotenuse, is 1 over the square root of 2. Now, if you want to, you can rationalize that be square root of 2 over 2. Now, secant would be the reciprocal, 2 over the square root of 3, 2, reciprocal, and this would be square root of 2. So sine is opposite over adjacent. So 30 degrees. Opposite over adjacent would be 1/2. Cosecant's reciprocal, so I'll just go ahead and do that now. Then 60, opposite over adjacent is square root of 3 over 2. So it'd be 2 over square root of 3 for that. Then 45, opposite over adjacent would be, we're doing sine. So it'd be opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 over square root of 2. And cosecant's reciprocal, so it's square root of 2. Then tangent. Tangent of 30. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so it'd be 1 over the square root of 2. 1 over the square root of 3. Boy, I'm starting to mess up now. Maybe I should quit here. So cotangent b squared of 3. 60 degrees would be opposite over adjacent, so that's square root of 3. So cotangent's 1 over square root of 3. Then last but not least, 45 opposite over adjacent is 1, so cotangent's 1. So you need to get this memorized. Then tomorrow, we did do given angles 30, 60, and 45, or something like that throughout the coordinate system, how to find it. And that's what we're going to start off with tomorrow. And then I think we're actually going to graph too. How exciting! What's that, Trixie? I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, good. Let's see. Maybe we should randomly have a shout out. Who should we shout out? I don't know. I think we're going to shout out to Ronnie Giannis. Ronnie Giannis. Hello, Ronnie Giannis. Well, that was fun. Hey, have a good day.